In this video, I want to talk about how you can trade with TradingView. So this is pretty simple, guys. We want to head over to the super charts, and once you're inside of the super chart, you want to drag on this gray line here. So just drag it up and open up the trading panel. So let me just log out of the paper trading, click on the trading panel, and then you can find your broker. You can click on all brokers and see them all, and then just connect to your broker or make a demo account. Once you've done this, you can now start trading. So click up here on the icon and search for whichever one you want to trade. You can also filter by futures, forex, crypto, and everything like this. So in this case, let's just do Nvidia. So I now have the Nvidia chart open, and to open my trading or selling menu, just click on either one up here. And now you can see I have opened up my trading menu. So I'll have the option to buy or sell. Buy means when price goes up, I'll make money. Sell means when price goes down, I'll make money. So a market order is an order that you can make, which basically means you're going to either buy or sell it at the exact price that it's currently at in the market. So the price right now is 131. And if I do a buy or sell order at the market, it's going to be bought at this price. A limit order, however, is the one I usually use. This means that it will buy it or sell it at a price that you can choose. So let's say I want to buy it when it reaches 136. I can say at 136 I want it to be bought. I want to take profit and stop loss. And then you can drag on these. So let me just put this back, 136. And let us put the take profit at 140. So now you can see I have my take profit at 140, and I can even move more if I want to, and my stop loss at 124. So here you can see take profit and stop loss and the order. So what this means is once the price hits 136, it's gonna make a buy order. So when it reaches 136, it's gonna buy the stock. If it reaches 145, which is my take profit, it's gonna close the order and take $9.45 profit. If it reaches 124, which means the price fell down, it's gonna close right here and I'll lose $11.30. Now you can change this how much you want, and these are the two ones that I usually use. I never really use the stop one, but this is how it works. Now obviously if you make a sell order, this will have to be reversed. So your stop loss will be up here, since you're aiming for the price to go down to make profit. And obviously if it goes up, you're gonna lose. So this is the way that it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.